True story. I wake up 5:30 in the morning, I walk in my hallway. My dog went to the bathroom in the hallway. I see it. I got a decision to make. Do I go get my dog, discipline my dog, and clean this up right now? Or do I get back in the bed and deal with it later when I wake up? It's 5:30. I chose to get back in the bed. I'll deal with it later when I wake up. 7:15, my wife wakes up. All I hear is, oh my God, the dog went to the bathroom in the hallway. I sat up acting like I didn't know nothing. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I said, you want me to get it? You want me to clean it up? She was like, no, I'm up now, I'll get it. I was like, exactly. Exactly. I knew you would get it. That's why I left it there. I exactly'd you.